Look at this, everywhere water. The big pipe has busted. People are walking through the water. You can see that gentleman there. You can see this shop. In the flood, the water has gone inside. And I believe the pipe has busted near Mughal-e-Azam. You can see from here, the traffic has been diverted. Severn Trent and water should be on their way. There are a lot of people here. The traffic has been diverted. Sparkhill, Birmingham, outside Mughal-e-Azam, on the junction of Shaftmore Lane and Stratford Road. This is England for you. Look, all the water on this road. The wheelie bins are going everywhere on the water. Let's see how far this guy can go. I think these guys are saying don't go further because the water can be deep, and the guy the other side is saying that my kid needs to go to the school. So I don't know what he's gonna do now. I presume the school's gonna be closed. There's a local school around the corner. The buses are stopped because they can't go further, and they have taken all the passengers off.